In this video, I'll show you how to download and install your IBM SPSS statistics. So first, let's be clear, IBM SPSS statistics is a paid software. So normally, you cannot do that for free. But IBM offers some free trials. As you can see, once you go to the IBM SPSS, you'll find here try SPSS statistics for free at the top right. And you can even try the modular for free. So if we go here and click on that, as you can see, you'll be able to get your 14 days free trial, though you will still have to create an account and everything to get your statistics. So basically, once you create your account here, you'll find yourself in such a place. And as you can see here, they'll show you how to download the trial, run the installer, and start your trial very easily. So you'll be able to see everything. As you can see, the videos are not very long, like very short, like 3 minutes into like another 1 minute, and the last video is like 1.5 minutes as well. So if you want the full details, make sure to check the videos provided by them. So now what you'll have to do, just go here and click on get started, and you may find like try the trial for free. Just go and click on that. And here, as you can see, you will get the application. So all you need to do, just go and click on download. And as you can see here, once you click on download, normally you'll be taken to this page. You can see every information that you want. You can scroll down a little bit, and here you can download for Windows or Mac. For me, I'm going to download for Windows since I do have Windows. And all you need to do, just go and save it. Wait for the installation or the download until done. Then we can install it. So once it is downloaded, you'll basically have to run the installation or .exe files so you can start installing it. And of course, you don't have to worry about anything because the application does not require you to enter like your card details or credit card details to start the trial. So once you are here, just click on next, accept the terms, next. And of course, you can change the install location if you want to. For me, I'm going to keep it next and install. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. You'll just have to wait for the installation until it's finished right now. It should not take a lot, of course, depending on your PC. So as an example, I'm just going to pause the video until it's done. And I'm going to tell you how much it took for me. So for me, it's basically took around like 40 seconds. And as you can see, you can check this option to start the application right now. For me, I'm just going to keep it check-in. And let's just start the application to see how this look like and if everything is correct. Of course, if you want to know how to use it here, there are some videos example on how to start your trial exactly. You'll be able to check that video, just 1.5 minutes. Come here and you'll be able to see how to start your trial. So let's just wait for the application until it's opened. Since it's the first time, it will take some time. Here you download it and install it. You can just go and log in or launch your license wizard. So you can log in with your IBM ID. With of course the ID you just created your account with, or if you already have an account, just go and log in into that or using that, and normally you should be good to go. You successfully downloaded and installed the IBM application. So normally they will take you here to your browser. You can just go and click on open, and normally you should be logged in into your account. So you'll find yourself right here. So as I said, it's better to watch the video to see how to get started, especially if you're new to this app and you don't know how to get started with it. But of course, you can start with the new data sets and you'll find yourself right here with the application ready to start and ready to work. And keep in mind that you'll have only 14 days on trial unless you go and click on buy now and you buy, of course, the full license of that application. And this is the price, as you can see, for us if you are interested to see. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.